Hi everyone, it is Christina Pridie here, better known as the Seamless Knitter here on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram. You can find all of my seamless pattern designs on Ravelry and on my website, ptboyarnshop.com. I also have a Ko-Fi account if you would like to support me and my channel financially. All this information is linked in the description box below this video. In today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how I do the reversible twisted rib technique. So let's get started. Okay, here I have a little sample of the reversible twisted rib, and it can also be called like a full twisted rib, which means it's the knit stitches and purl stitches are work twisted so that it gives this very embossed fabric. You can see that it's very textured, very raised up, and really pops. So these here are the knit stitches, these columns here that look like little braids. I say fishtail braid. And these are the purl stitches here. The knit stitches are more raised up on the fabric and pronounced, and the purl stitches are more recessed back in. So this is the right side of the fabric, and as you can see, it's very textured. And now I'll show you the other side, and there's no difference. The other side looks exactly the same. Okay, so you can see that the same fabric is created on the wrong side. So that's why I call it reversible twisted rib, because it is reversible. Or you can call it full twisted rib. That means each stitch is twisted. So I'm going to show you how I create this fabric. So I'm using the Addi Click interchangeable needles, and I'm using the short tip needles today. And I have a long cord because I am going to be demonstrating the magic loop technique while I do this demonstration. And I'm going to push my needle into the stitches now to load up my needle. And I'm going to pull out this needle to work with. This is the working needle because I'm right-handed, and this here is the beginning of my round. So this is the tail end, and this is the working yarn that comes from the bowl. So the first thing I'm going to do is knit into the back of the knit stitch, the very first stitch. So I'm going to put my needle into the back of the stitch. So this is the front here. So this is the front of the stitch, and this is the back of the stitch. So we're going to be knitting into the back of the knit stitches always. So I'm going to pick up my working yarn, my right hand, and I'm going to knit this stitch as normal but through the back stitch. So it pops up into the center of the stitch, and then we take it off. Now I bring the yarn to the front to purl my next stitch, but we normally purl going in this way, but we are not going to be doing purling into the front of the stitch. We are going to be purling into the very back of the stitch. So you're going to have to come up into the stitch from behind to the center like so, and you're going to wrap your yarn around from right to left and bring the yarn back through the center to the back of the work till you see that stitch pop up on the needle, and then you can remove it or take it off. Now we're going to do a knit stitch, so we put our yarn to the back, and now we're going to knit into the back of the stitch back here, and again wrapping our yarn around from right to left, bring the needle up into the center of the stitch, and we're going to take it off, remove it to the right hand needle. We're going to bring our yarn forward to purl. Instead of purling into the front of the stitch, we're going to purl into the back of the stitch there and wrap our yarn around from right to left, push the needle through the center to the back till you see that stitch pop up, and then you can remove it. The yarn goes to the back to do the next next knit stitch. So we're going to knit into the back of that stitch, wrap the yarn around from right to left, bring the needle up into the center, and once you see that stitch on the needle, you can safely remove it off the needle. So there you have a knit stitch, purl, knit, purl, knit. And you can see that the legs of the stitch are twisted on the knit stitches. So when we look at the other side, you'll see the reverse of this, and you'll see that the other stitches are twisted as well. So I'll show you one more time how to do that. So the next stitch now that we're going to do is a purl stitch. So we bring our yarn forward, and we are going to come into the back of that stitch like so, and we are going to wrap our yarn around from right to left, bring the needle down through the center of the stitch into the back till you see that stitch pop up, and now we can safely move it from the left hand needle over to the right hand needle. Yarn goes to the back to do the knit stitch, and we just knit into the back of that stitch. Wrap the yarn around from right to left, bring the needle up through the center of the stitch till you see it pop off. Then you can take it off the left hand needle, and it's now transferred over to the right hand needle. So that's how you do the reversible twisted stitch or the full twisted stitch in a 1x1 rib. Okay, so there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please save it to watch later. Share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified of my next video or tutorial release. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below this video, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Happy knitting!